your arm strength, your shoulder opening and with your hip strength. The practice is left hand a day. Option more. You just try to hold ankle and then lift the leg up. Okay, Zoe. Option high. Then try to be thang chan chai. Option ba dua. Then try to keep the chest out and matling leg. You Khong work. Just try here. Come on. Try. Matling leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Sorry, relax. Downward facing dog. Relax in the downward facing dog. Thang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once again, cat pose. Stand on your knee. In this time, your right leg on the right side. Come on. Jankai, open arms to your shoulder level. Heat walk, thumbs are right hand down and left arm straight over the head. Mom chua, then mom chua. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Heat walk on that, pose are relaxed. High thigh again, both hands up. Heat walk, thumbs up, bien chai, bend on the left side. Try to be chap thigh. 1, 2, 3, mom chua. 4, nice up. 5 and now 6. Heat walk, come back. Thumbs and now right chest move and turn by 5. Right arm straight over the head. Option, chân phải xuống, chân phải lên, gập chân phải, tay phải nắm cổ chân phải. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So relax. So the last portion in this sequence, gập chân phải, bend the right leg, thigh 5, right hand on the right leg. Option 1, tai chai namko chan 5. Hold your right ankle, lift the leg up. Option 2, leg straight. Option 3, keep your chest up. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, in 5, and then 6. So downward facing dog, thẳng tay, thẳng chân, thẳng lưng.